Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what could be the best upgrade for your Razor MX350, this incredible charger from IBERLS. Whether you're looking to replace an old charger or seeking a more efficient charging solution, this could be the perfect fit for you. Stick around as we explore its features, benefits, and why it might just be the upgrade you've been looking for. Now, let's talk about why this charger stands out. Designed specifically for a range of Razor models including the MX350, MX400, E300, and more. This charger boasts a 3-prong inline connector and a generous 6.6-foot charging cable. It's crafted to ensure compatibility and optimal charging performance, promising to keep your electric ride ready to go whenever adventure calls. Whether you're riding the MX350 Dirt Rocket or cruising on the Pocket Mod, this charger is built to handle it all. It's a direct replacement for Razor part numbers W13B110050014 and W131120999014, ensuring you get the same reliability as the original charger, if not better. This means you can charge your Razor vehicles confidently, knowing that each charge cycle is optimized for performance and longevity. In conclusion, if you're looking to enhance the performance and reliability of your Razor MX350 or any compatible Razor model, look no further than the IBERLS charger. With its robust features, smart design, and solid warranty, it's a must-have accessory for any electric vehicle enthusiast. Don't forget to check the link in the description to get your own IBERLS charger today and start enjoying a more reliable and efficient charging experience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and happy riding!